Are you an internationally educated nurse? Are you preparing for the CELBAN? Have you taken the CELBAN and failed because you did not get a 9 or 10 in listening? This video is about CELBANPrep's Quickening My Listening Skills, which is available to IENs that have subscribed to the Silver Bundle. First, let's explore, what does getting a 9 and 10 in listening mean? Getting a 10 in listening, on the CELBAN, means that you are able to correctly interpret spoken communications in a demanding medical context. Let me repeat that as a question. Take time to answer it. Are you able to correctly interpret spoken communications in a demanding medical context? That is what you are being assessed on. And your answer to that question determines whether you are ready to take the exam, or whether you need to increase your skills and abilities to hear and interpret communications spoken in English in demanding situations. You might be wondering, how do they assess your skills and abilities to do all of that? They assess your abilities by increasing the level of difficulty in several ways. 1. By ensuring that some of the people speaking during the videos speak English with an accent that is common in Canada. 2. By ensuring that some of the speakers speak at a quickened rate, as would be expected in emergent situations in a hospital. So then the question remains, how does CELBANPrep University help? First, founder Kim Kara spent time with her nurses, asking, why do you think you didn't get a 10 in listening? An overwhelming majority answered, it was too fast. Or, I did not understand what the person was saying, who was speaking English with an accent. Did you have similar struggles? So the intent of Quickening listening skills is to provide a training program that exposes internationally educated nurses to conditions where they can both assess and develop the ability to hear and understand people speaking English at a quickened pace with a variety of accents, both at work and in the community. The beautiful thing about CELBANPrep University's Quickening listening skills is that many of the internationally educated nurses who have invested in their careers through CELBANPrep have contributed to the creation of these recordings and their transcripts. It is with their permission that founder Kim Kara was able to co-create a skill training program with contributors from around the world. At this time you might be wondering, then, what is Quickening My Listening Skills about? There are 4 variables, each with 2 variations, that have gone into this skill development program where you will be able to listen to recordings that are both fast and slow, male and female, listening and dictation, in the community and at work. So, if you are an internationally educated nurse that is preparing for the CELBAN, who is particularly interested in increasing your score in listening, know that Quickening My Listening Skills is only available to students who have subscribed to CELBANPrep University. Become an open student today.